Hi, today you will learn how to make video grayscale in Kdenlive. So for example, we have here this video. If we want to edit it, we need to drag and drop this video to the timeline. And after that, we need to select this video by clicking on it. Then we need to go to FX tab. It is very important to open this option. And now on the search field, we need to type grayscale. Then on the color and image correction settings, we can find grayscale effect. So we need to drag and drop this effect to our video. And after that, we need to go to effects and composition stack settings. How you see, grayscale effect has been successfully added to our video. It may take some time to be loaded here. Or if you will click play button, it should be visible on the recording. Yeah. So how you see, in this way, we can convert our video to grayscale in Kdenlive. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.